Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you are watching another great episode of On Trail. This is part 2 of the Sedona Loop. We're riding around Bell Rock, Courthouse Butte. It's gonna be a beautiful day, my friends. The sun is up, okay? Much more than it was when we started. If you remember, we were in the dark and we had to use our outbound lights. Temperatures are still good, there's a slight breeze. I have no complaints, and seriously, what is there to complain about when you're in Sedona? So, more to the point, this is part 2, like I said. We got about another 8 miles to go on this ride. The full ride will be linked down below, just a reminder. So if you want to check it out, you're more than welcome to. And, you know, what do we say at this point? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And I have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. I came in on the wrong line there. Shit. That looks kind of doable too. Yeah, we'll go for it. Why not? The odds are forever in our favor. There we go. Just finding the right line makes all the difference. Oh, Jesus. Mary and Joseph. God damn. There we go. My friends, if that view doesn't get you going and excited to get out here and find your own adventure, check your pulse. There could be a problem. My God. Yep, that ain't gonna happen. Nope. All right, my friends, if you've made it this far, part 2, God bless you for that support. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. All right, my friends, we are getting close to the truck. So at this point, I'm gonna tell you to like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely, all right? It's a trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. There's gonna be some links down below. Trek Bicycle Stores of West Phoenix and Street Graphics. I ask that you follow those links, maybe show those guys and gals some love. Why? Because they take care of me. Now, they're not affiliate links, and I don't get anything from it, other than knowing that you guys are gonna get top quality surface from either one of those groups. So, yes, Brandon's a personal friend of mine, and we do the toolbox topic videos and stuff, but regardless, I love him to death. I was going to Trek before Brandon and I became friends and started doing the channel. So, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work. It's our social media, though. We need it for Get Out Arizona. We go on group rides, group hikes. Ton of fun, my friends. Seriously. Come out and join us. As I often say, the only thing that's missing from these rides is you, as we can get another beautiful courthouse butte right there, my friends. You just can't, I should say, I can't get enough of it. The Amazon link, it's to our Amazon store. Now, you do not have to buy anything from the store itself, okay? You can just follow the link, make a qualifying purchase, and then we receive a small commission, which helps out with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money. The other trifecta we love so much around here at Get Out Arizona. So it's a win-win, my friends. I love sharing this stuff with you. It ain't cheap, and believe me, YouTube does not pay the bills. So, my friends, at this point, as we come into the parking lot, there's a truck. Gonna get a little food in my belly. Good morning, guys. Have a great hike. And get on to the next trail. What do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, as we look at the beauty of Sedona, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we will see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.